Welcome to N5 Kanji Lesson 15.
N5 漢字授業15へようこそ。
Now, let's go into the video.
動画の中へ入りましょう。
The first kanji is haha. This is the stroke order for the kanji. Now let's go to the onyomi and kunyomi of the kanji. The onyomi is
ぼ、
and the kunyomi is.
母、
Now let's go to the vocabulary or
語彙。
haha,
This means mother.
sobo,
This means grandmother.
sofubo,
This means grandparents.
bokokugo.
This means mother tongue.
Now let's go to the
例文。
母の日に何をしましたか?
What did you do on Mother's Day?
The next kanji is furui. This is the stroke order for the kanji. Now let's go to the onyomi and kunyomi of the kanji. The onyomi is
子、
and the kunyomi is.
古、
Now let's go to the vocabulary or
語彙。古い、
this means old.
中古、
This means second hand.
古学、
This means archaeology.
古代。
This means ancient. Now let's go to the
例文。彼らはその古家をそのまま購入した。
this means that they bought the old house as it is. The next kanji is hi. This is the stroke order for the kanji. Now let's go to the onyomi and kunyomi of the kanji. The onyomi is
か、
and the kunyomi is.
ひ、ほ、
Now let's go to the vocabulary or
語彙。ひ、
this means fire.
火事場、
This means scene of a fire.
消火、
This means extinguishing a fire.
焚き火。
This means bonfire. Now let's go to the
例文。私たちは花火を見に行きます。
this means that we are going to look at the fireworks. The next kanji is kau. This is the stroke order for the kanji. Now let's go to the onyomi and kunyomi of the kanji. The onyomi is
buy、
and the kunyomi is.
か、
Now let's go to the vocabulary or
語彙。
kau,
This means buy.
kaite.
This means buyer.
Now let's go to the
例文。
一緒に買い物に行きませんか?
This means, do you want to go shopping together?
The last kanji is go. This is a stroke order for the kanji. Now let's go to the onyomi and kunyomi of the kanji. The onyomi is
ご、
and the kunyomi is.
馬、
Now let's go to the vocabulary or
語彙。
gozen,
This means morning.
gogo.
This means afternoon.
Now let's go to the
例文。
正午になったらレストランへ行きましょう.
This means, let's go to a restaurant at noon.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
何類？
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.